What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we are going to do a quick unboxing of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro smartwatch. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, highlighted specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start that, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here at the top we got the Huawei branding, the picture of the smartwatch that we got inside. So here is the model number of the product. The Watch GT2 Pro we got inside is night black and it comes in black fluoro elastomer strap. So this is a silicone strap. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. This is the wireless charger with USB Type-C port here. Here we got the USB Type-C cable and then we got the warranty card and quick start guide. So inside the retail box of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro, you will find the smartwatch, the wireless charger, USB Type-C cable, warranty card and the quick start guide. So here is the Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. So let's switch it on. So we will need to do the setup first and that's a time consuming process. I will make a separate video that how you can do the setup of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro using all of the configuration and settings in another video. But here I'm going to just skip the part, do the settings and configuration, and after that I will continue the video. So the setting of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro is finished and here we got the watch face. So this is the home screen and if I swipe, you can see all these cards for heart rate monitoring, stress, weather information, music player, and the activity records. You can see like all of them are 0 because I just started using it, so everything is just empty, blank here. So first of all, let's talk about the design. So Watch GT2 Pro comes with premium build quality. We got titanium metal frame and the sapphire glass on the screen. So if you don't know, sapphire glass is the best quality and the most durable and strongest glass available for gadgets and devices. So if you are going to get the GT2 Pro, then you won't even have to worry about a scratch or something because we got the sapphire glass on the screen and then the body is made of titanium. So this is just amazing if you're talking about the build quality. And it's not just about the build quality, it looks premium as well. Here the screen is slightly chamfered. It looks really premium from every angle. And then we got this silicone strap that also look very nice and premium. And here we got the Huawei Watch GT branding. Once again we got the Huawei branding here at the buckle. And the material of this silicone strap is quite nice. It's thick and it feels good as well, matte finished, very smooth, and not like those silicone strap usually you see the cheap material one. So Huawei is taking care of the build quality and design here very well. On the right side we got two physical keys. The first one is the power key that also works as the menu key, and the second one is the function key using which you can open any application quickly on Watch GT2 Pro. And even these crowns are really nice. You can see how much work is done on these texture and pattern here. So Watch GT2 Pro is really an example of Huawei's craftsmanship in terms of design and premium build quality. Here we got the speaker grill. On the left side we got the microphone and at the back we got the LED and sensors, and the back is really glossy. So this is kind of a nice contrast because the metal frame comes with matte finish and here we got totally glossy finish. And this is good in a way because glossy finish is good for wearing experience. It provides more comfortable wear, so this is also quite nice. And the best part is that as you can see, this is the first time that Huawei is providing wireless charging on its smartwatch. I always complained about having a unique and a special charger to charge Huawei's smartwatch, but this time Huawei is going wireless. So as we have seen that it comes with a wireless charger, but if you want you can use any wireless charger or even your flagship smartphone with reverse wireless charging capability to charge Watch GT2 Pro. So this is really nice. So in terms of design and build quality, as I have said already a few times, Watch GT2 Pro is a gorgeous device from every angle and every aspect. It weighs 52 grams without the strap, so it's a bit heavy because of the full metal frame, but still it's not too much and you will get used to of this weight on your wrist very quickly. Now talking about the screen, we got a 1.39 inch AMOLED screen with 454 cross 454 pixels resolution. So the PPI you are going to get on this is quite high and the screen looks gorgeous. You can get the idea how sharp it is when I'm bringing the display of GT2 Pro close to the camera. Very sharp and clear, and the edge-to-edge display looks very premium as well. And as I have already mentioned, the screen is protected by sapphire glass, so you don't even have to worry about any kind of wear and tear, scratches, etc. on this. We got a bit of bezels across the screen, but Huawei very cleverly and successfully hid them using this dial feature. So for example, if I go to here, this activity card, so you can see that the display is only up to this part. This part is not a screen, it's just the bezel. But what Huawei did, it put markings of the dial here, so most of the time it looks like the part of the screen itself if you have a look on the watch face, especially if it is a dark and black one. But here if you go to some activity cards or watch face which is not totally black in color, especially the background, so you can notice this, but other than that it's totally hidden. And this is also a nice idea to give a very premium look to the screen of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. Talking about the hardware, we got 4GB internal storage, so you can store music on the device itself to play them on a speaker or any compatible earphones. We got a speaker, microphone to make voice calls right from the Watch GT2 Pro. It comes with built-in GPS, we got Bluetooth 5.1 and lots of sensors like accelerometer, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, optical heart rate monitoring sensor, barometer. The device is 5 ATM water resistant, so you can use it while swimming in a pool or ocean without worrying any damage to Watch GT2 Pro. We got Huawei's Green A1 wearable chipset in this device along with STL4R9 chipset, so the battery performance is expected to be quite good, just like the Huawei Watch GT2 46mm. So Huawei officially claims that we can get 14 days of battery life on average use and 8 days of battery life on heavy use, but we will see that in our detailed review how good it's going to be. Now talking about the features and user interface, this is the watch face. As we have seen that we got some cards that allows us to have a quick glance on important data right from the watch face, and it comes with very nice interesting new watch faces that we can use here. So obviously you can use your own image on the watch face. I have already made a separate video that how you can use your personal image as the watch face on Huawei smartwatches, but here you can see that we got some nice watch face that you can select, and one of them is this, that is Huawei is officially promoting for Watch GT2 Pro. It gives the information regarding the moon phases, sunrise, sunset time, moonset time. So this is also a very nice watch face that you can use on Watch GT2 Pro, especially if you are interested in knowing about the lunar cycles. And once again we got few more watch faces, those are quite nice. For example, this one, as you can see, like we got lots of information regarding the sunrise, moonrise, moonset, sunset, what zodiac sign we got. So this is really nice for sure. So when it comes to watch faces, Watch GT2 Pro got some nice ones for sure. So here from the top, if you swipe down, you will get this quick action menu from where you can use the DND, show time, you can find your phone, you can set up the alarm, you can go to the settings. In my next video, where I will talk about all of the features of Huawei Watch GT2 Pro in detail, how you can configure the device, how you can use all of these features. I'm going to talk about all of them in detail, but here I'm just going to give you a quick glance that what are the features and options available. But if you want to have in-depth information about Watch GT2 Pro, then do not forget to watch that upcoming video. So it would be nice if you subscribe this channel right now and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. So now if I just press this button here, the crown, we will go to the menu where you will find lots of options, as you can see here. So I'm just going to have a quick look on them. If you go to workout, here you will get lots of options like 13 different running courses. We got lots of different kinds of run, walk, And if you go to, we even got skiing and snowboarding, that also once again Huawei is promoting for Watch GT2 Pro. These are the new options especially available on Watch GT2 Pro. If you tap on it, here you will get the list of all of these physical activities and exercises that you got. It's an endless list of them. I think it's more than 100 or something. So it doesn't matter what kind of physical activities you are involved in, you will find it on Watch GT2 Pro for sure. This is just awesome. Let's go back from here and workout records. Once you do workout, you will find the information here. Workout status. This is quite important. Here you will find lots of nice information regarding your physical activities, recovery time, SpO2, VO2 max, etc. that you can use to monitor your physical level. Here is the heart rate monitoring that you can do manually. We got the blood oxygen saturation monitoring here. Then we got the activity records. Then we got sleep information, how many hours you slept, how good you slept. Then we got the stress monitoring. I'm going to talk about all of them in another video in detail. So the stress monitoring gives you information that at what part of the day you were stressed and how much, categorizes your stress level in 4 different levels. So you will get the idea that when you were stressed, how long you were stressed. And if you are stressed, then you can use the breathing exercise to calm yourself. You can select the time or you can select the pace, medium, moderate, slow, fast. It's totally up to you. And then we got the call logs. As I said, that we can make voice calls using the speaker and microphone of this device. We don't need our phone to do that. We got the call logs and contacts option. So using the Huawei Health application, you can add your contacts and then you can make voice calls right from your device if your GT2 Pro is connected with your smartphone. And here we got the music. So as I said that we got the speaker, so we can play music right on the Watch GT2 Pro, or if you want, you can even play music on your phone or the compatible earphone. So let's just play it. So the speaker is quite loud, as we can feel here. And then we got the remote shutter. Using this, you can launch the camera app on your smartphone and take picture right from your smartwatch without even touching the smartphone. And then we got the barometer, where it will give you information regarding the air pressure. So this is quite useful if you are going outside hiking, trekking, etc. Then we got the compass. Of course, we know what exactly it does. And we got the notification. Here you can see that my phone is connected and I'm getting some notification here regarding my WhatsApp, Instagram. I can even read it. Twitter, all of these notifications are coming on my Watch GT2 Pro here. You can also access the notification from the watch face by just swiping up from the bottom. And what else we got here? Weather. So you can get this information either from your phone, or if you give the location permission to the Watch GT2 Pro, then you will get directly from that as well, because it comes with a built-in GPS. So this is also very helpful. Lots of information regarding the weather. Once again, you will get this information regarding the lunar cycle, the solar cycle, the tidal waves. This is so good. And then we got the stopwatch, timer, alarm. You know what these things do, so I'm not going to talk about it. We got flashlight. There is no LED flashlight. If you tap on this, the screen will glow at the brightest level, and it's quite bright. You can see like everything else is going dark in the background. And next one is Find My Phone. If you tap on this, then your phone will start making some sound. I'm here or something. I will show how it works, the quick demo, in next video, as I said. But this is a useful feature as well that you can use to find your phone quickly if it is out of your sight. And then if you go to the settings, here you can connect your compatible earphones with the device. You can do some settings. You can change the watch face. You can even select the always on display or the standby watch face. The card settings, you can set the brightness. You can select the screen on time, after how much time you would like the screen to go to sleep. Then you can select the volume. You can select the silent mode. You can increase, decrease volume. You can select the strength of vibration. You can turn on the DND. You can customize the application that you would like to launch with the down button, the function key here. you can assign any of these to the second button here, the function key, and once you press this, then that particular application will be launched. For example, flashlight. If I press this, flashlight is on. So this is also very nice that you can change the option that you would like to use with the down button. And then the workout setting, it helps in auto detecting the workout, and if you're doing any of the 6 compatible workout without using the workout mode, then it will tell you that you are doing some physical activity and whether you would like to log it or not. And then we got the one hop. This is a very nice feature that you can use to quickly connect your smartwatch with your smartphone, and you can even do some media transfer. I will make a dedicated video how you can do that. So once again, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. And under system, you can do some regular activity like restart the device, power off, disconnect with the phone. And in the about phone section, you got all of the information of the Watch GT2 Pro we got here. So as you can see that the first impression of Watch GT2 Pro is really impressive in every aspect. It is very gorgeous, the build quality and the design is very premium. We got built-in microphone and speakers to make voice call right from the smartwatch. The display is gorgeous. We got plenty of nice and information-rich watch faces that we can use on Watch GT2 Pro here. Talking about the workout, we got more than 100 workouts available on Watch GT2 Pro. And then we got lots of health related features like heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, VO2 max monitoring, sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, breathing exercises. You can play music right from the Watch GT2 Pro, or control the music on your phone, or play the music on your smartwatch to listen them on your compatible earphones. You can even use your smartwatch as remote shutter to take pictures on your smartphone. We got the barometer, compass, we got some productivity related features like a stopwatch, timer, alarm, we got flashlight, and you can even find your phone using your Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. So when it comes to software and features, we got a long list of nice things to talk about Watch GT2 Pro. So overall, Watch GT2 Pro is a very nice smartwatch in every aspect, whether it's the design, build quality, functionality, hardware specs, or the software based features. But this is just the unboxing and first impression video. The detailed review of Watch GT2 Pro and many more videos of this product will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to subscribe it, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.